and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a declutter and quick clean of my living room and kitchen. These are the most used rooms in my house and tend to get messy fairly quickly. Energized and ready to clean, I am putting in my favorite essential oil blend into the diffuser. This blend is made up of lemongrass, sweet orange, and peppermint and makes the house smell so fresh.
Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place that you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Like I'm talking, that's just because I'm jamming out to the TRL Favorites music station on Google Music. If you need to change your mood, this station will do it for sure.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you.
I have a love-hate relationship with these Legos and blocks. They keep the kids busy, so I like that, but they also end up everywhere. I'm sure a lot of you can relate.
Those lights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
My 2-year-old likes to shove toys behind this kitchen for some reason. Maybe she's hiding them for later? Who knows?
The future's far away, but I will stay, I will stay. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now
Baby girl was so worried I'd vacuum up her snacks. Just look how happy she is when I hand it to her. Don't mess with a 2-year-old and their snacks. I hardly ever sweep with a broom these days. This vacuum has a bare floor setting and I find it's much faster to just vacuum everything.
help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay because
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you were able to get some motivation to tackle some areas in your home. If you like these type of videos, please consider subscribing so you never miss any of my future videos. I love you all and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!
off and on again. We never